super excited for you to try the Jousse Styling Elixir. This is a very unique styling product that you're going to be putting on your hair when it's wet. And what it's doing is enhancing the texture of the strands of your hair. So it's literally going to go into that hair, plump it up like a foam, give it lots of great hold like a gel, and then also smooth and shine it like a cream, all in one styling product. So once you've shampooed your hair, I want you to towel dry it really well. You want to make sure that there's not excess water because that's just going to dilute your product. So I like to towel dry it just to make sure that it's not dripping wet. Once I've towel dried it, then we're going to just detangle it, right? This is great too, to make sure that the product is going to go on evenly. So when you're applying the Jousse Elixir, I want you to think about your hair in sections. I want you to only ever use 2 pumps at a time. So as you can see, 1, 2, that amount. Always rub it through your hand so it's all over. Notice how it's all throughout through my fingertips. And then you pick your section. So whether that's the front, back, or one side to side. I usually start in the front. So I want to make sure that I'm getting it from roots to ends. Remember, this is going to volumize your hair. This is going to also smooth it and shine it. This is also going to give it hold. So what's really important is that it's on the hair, roots to ends. Now, as I start in the front, once I know that it's all the way through and I haven't gotten enough product back here yet, so I'm going to put 2 more pumps in, rub it all through again, so it's even all over my hands, and then I'm going to go all the way through the back, again, roots to ends. It's going to give me a lot of volume, a lot of shine, and a lot of hold, so I want to make sure it's all over my hair, roots to ends, before I style. All right, from here, you're going to style as usual, whether that's a blow dry, maybe you let your hair dry by itself. Maybe you're someone who has waves and curls, and you just want to scrunch those curls in. But at this point, you're just going to style your hair as you usually do. So I love the results that the Jousse Styling Elixir gives on my hair. As you can see, it gives it lots of fullness, bounce, and body, but it's also super shiny and soft and natural, not stiff, not sticky. And then the best part, it's going to last all day long.